That's it. Tack back and forth. You feel the pressure on the rudder? That's what you want. A little bit of pressure. I'm thinking.
Tell him. I bet I could refinance my car loan with them too and save money. Just stop by one of their branches in Danvers, Framingham, Haverhill, and Lowell, or learn more online at nmtw.org.
Find, finance, and insure your next car with NMTW Community Credit Union. 2.75 annual percentage rate based on 0.25% discount for signing up for direct deposit or automatic payment. Rate may vary depending on each individual's credit experience and term of loan.
At McMulkin Chevrolet, a little confidence goes a
Good
long
wind
way.
right now,
With
too.
total confidence pricing, the price you see is the price you pay. Plus, McMulkin's dedicated Business Central offers the right inventory of America's longest lasting vehicles for you or your business. And Chevrolet gives you the 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Shop our multi-level showroom or shop from home at McMulkin.net 24 hours a day. Right now, go to our
That one good.
chance to win a 4-pack of tickets to Water Country,
that way.
New England's largest,
I would have kept it going the other way.
safest, and friendliest water park.
He got it. He got it.
He's got it. Okay. No, he's going to catch the wind this way.
Dr. Von Dark's Tunnel
Gotta
of
turn the boat
Terror.
around, though.
Now open at Water Country. McMulkin Chevrolet. Sales and service 7
Turn it
days a
towards
week
me.
in the Automotive
Right
Village
towards
in
me,
Nashua,
Colin.
New
Oh,
Hampshire,
you
or
got it.
online at
So that seal
McMulkin.net.
goes-
Chevy runs,
fills.
speeds. Offer good while supplies last. See dealer for details.
Come on,
Offer
seal,
ends
fill.
8/31/12.
Lease examples are 39 months with 10,000 miles per year. $3,000 cash or trade equity due at signing with all
There it
incentives to
is.
dealer. Tax title and dealer
Now he's
fees
got
not
it. Now
included.
he's using
See dealer
milk
for
this
details.
now.
The Bonneville and
He's gotta
Son
go buy us
Chrysler
now.
Dodge and Jeep Ram Summer Clearance Event means
Does he so-
you'll get the lowest prices on our best vehicles.